Hello guys, so I'm back again with another update about specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Samsung launched its second folding phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, on 11 February, but what of the update to Samsung's first folding phone, the Galaxy Fold? Rumors are regularly appearing about an update to the Galaxy Fold, which we think might be called either the Galaxy Z Fold or Galaxy Fold 2. It's also been referred to as a Project Champ or Winner 2, so there are plenty of monikers in play and there could be a number of different versions. We believe the Fold 2 will have the model number SMF916. Here's what we have heard about the Galaxy Fold 2 so far. Firstly, we will talk about the release date and the price of Galaxy Fold 2. The Galaxy Fold was originally unveiled at Mobile World Congress. It's been suggested it will launch along with the Note 20 series on August 5, 2020 at an online event with availability from September. As for the pricing, guide pricing has been suggested as between $1,780 to $1,980, looking to make a little cheaper than the original Fold. There has also been talk of a Fold E and Fold Special Edition priced around $1,100, which might present an entry-level offering rather than the premium we are expecting from the Fold 2. Now we talk about the design of Galaxy Fold 2. We are expecting Samsung to stick to the look style vertical fold like the original Galaxy Fold. Leaks early on speculated on the inclusion of the S Pen, although it's thought that this isn't going to happen because the display surface can't withstand the pressure of the stylus and it can be the Galaxy Note devices. There will be a stainless steel and ceramic version. We are assuming that there will be a regular aluminum and glass versions too. Just to keep the price under control, it's shared to become in blue, silver, gold, pink and black colors. Although we have seen more recent leaks saying that it will come in a black or brown colors, we suspect it will be copper or bronze rather than dirty brown. We suggestions that the awkward notch of the Galaxy Fold might be replaced with an in-display camera. The design could be cleaner than the current version, although we suspect it will use a punch hole cameras instead. In late May 2020, a patent was filed showing Samsung's intent to waterproof a future folding phone, so we also expect the Fold 2 to come with an IP rating and be waterproof. Now we talk about display and hardware. Early reports suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 might come with an 8-inch display. Since then, we have seen mention of a 7.7-inch display, both of which are bigger than the original 7.2-inch. The 7.7-inch has been mentioned several times along with the Infinity V name, with a 120Hz refresh rate on the Galaxy S20 series. It looks like the Fold will have 120Hz too. When Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Flip, one of the interesting points was that Samsung has used what it is calling ultra-thin glass to protect the display. This is still flexible but should be more resistant to damage than plastic. Although it appears that it's still covered with a plastic layer on the top. It's been said that the Samsung has ordered supplies for the UTG, but it's still developing the technology for future products. The external display was one of the negative aspects of the original Fold. The suggestion of a 6.23-inch that fills the exterior will be welcomed, adding to the usability of these phones when it's closed. It is said that the exterior display will be 6Hz. However, there's now a suggestion that the Fold 2 might feature an elongated notification display instead. The long strip will be used to show notifications so that the phone can be partially or fully unfolded to reveal content on the main display. On the flip side of this, there's also a suggestion that this notification display is in fact a feature activated by a wrap around cover instead. On the hardware front, there have been few leaks. We would expect Samsung to use flagship grade hardware, perhaps Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, and keep this as a 5G phone. It's thought that the Fold will start at 256GB storage with 512GB as an option. Now we talk about the cameras of the Galaxy Fold 2. The original Galaxy Fold has a lot of cameras, but it's clear that Samsung needs to reduce the front camera notch in the display. There has been suggestion that the Samsung could use an under-display camera on the Fold 2. Or failing that, a punch hole cameras like the S20 family, which we think is more likely. A leaker has suggested that the Fold 2 will have the same rear camera setup as the Galaxy S20 Plus that would see a 12 megapixel main camera, 64 megapixel 3x zoom camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera along with the depth vision sensor. We have subsequently seen a tweak to these figures suggesting a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera instead. So this is all we have got for now. All the specifications are expected, but we are confirmed about display. All the related links are given below in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe this channel for more updates. Meet you in the next one. Peace.